Get ready to explore おくりもの, a word you'll frequently hear during special occasions and celebrations. The word おくりもの means gift or present. It is used to describe something given to someone else as a token of appreciation, love, or goodwill. The first kanji means to give or present and carries the idea of offering something to someone. You can see this in zote, where it means presenting an award, and in zoyo, where it means donating or granting. Both uses keep the sense of giving. The second kanji means a thing or object and broadly labels items or matters. It appears in monogatari, meaning a story, which treats events as things that happen, and in tabemono, meaning food, where it simply marks food as an object or item. I give a gift on a birthday. 誕生日に贈り物をあげます。誕生日に贈り物をあげます。I receive a gift. 私は贈り物をもらう。私は贈り物をもらう。I will look for a gift. 贈り物を探します。贈り物を探します。Choose a gift for him. 彼に贈り物を選ぶ。彼に贈り物を選ぶ。The most common synonym of the word 贈り物 is プレゼント. Both words convey the idea of giving, but プレゼント is often used in more casual or Western-influenced contexts, while 贈り物 carries a more traditional and formal tone. The most common antonyms of the word 贈り物 are 借り, which means borrow, and もらう, which means to receive. These express actions contrary to giving, unlike 贈り物, which is about offering or presenting something to someone else.